Okay, we are going to talk about the supplies you need to start your portrait drawing. You will need paper for our practice. Using just plain copy paper is fine. If you're ready to start your actual portrait, you'll want to get the drawing paper from the green basket at the front of the room, and it has heavier weight drawing paper in it. But for right now, this is simply a practice, and I'll be using just some plain copy paper from our stash over in the cubby table. You will also need a pencil. A regular pencil is a HB. You can see it right there if it will focus. It's an HB pencil. Um, Over in the drawers at the side, you can get a 2H. I know this is backwards in the camera. A 2B and a 6B. There should be erasers, both the pink pearl eraser and the white vinyl eraser. Sometimes there'll be little slivers for being able to get that sharp edge or in a tight area. And also a tortillon. Please make sure when you use a tortillon not to press hard with it. You will bend the tip. You need to think of it more as uh, tickling the paper rather than scrubbing the paper. Um, so we want to take care of our tortillons. They can last a long time or they can be damaged in seconds. So let's try to make sure they last a long time. In terms of the pencils, each pencil produces a different type of line, and so the 2H makes the lightest line. You can probably barely see that, and I will be pressing the same weight on each of these, and you'll be able to see how they get darker with each one. And I'm not pressing any harder with either pencil, and you can see that each one creates a darker line. Usually we'll start with this one, the light, the 2H, to create our beginning lines, because a line drawn lightly is a lot easier to erase if we need to. So we'll start with this, or you can start with this. Just make sure you don't press hard, because it will both leave a line that's harder to erase, and it might even leave a dent in the paper that's very hard to create shading across later. So these are the supplies you need, and I'll see you in the next video as we begin our drawing.